It's burning. It's burning my face. Oh my god.
Kelly and I decided it'd be a good idea to buy these like Mexican mask things. And we didn't realize that it's like a fabric thing.
They're like serial killers. Oh my god.
And then this is what it is. It's awful and it's burning our faces off. Ew.
Got my mouth.
Ew.
Yeah.
What's it on your hand?
I know.
Ew. It does kind of burn. It's supposed to be like invigorating.
It's like cheese on your face.
Do I look like Saw?
Yeah.
Jigsaw?
You like Jigsaw, yeah. Kinda. In a way, not really.
You feel like they'll rob a bank like this.
Yes.
If you stop and don't think about it as burning, it stops hurting.
Or you're not looking like a freaking weirdo.
I'm single.
Yeah.
Yeah? I know why.
I see why.
I'm a cheese face.
Hey.
Hey.
Cheese face.
Cheese face. Howdy.
He was so deranged. He was like, what's that movie?
It constantly makes me feel sick for a second, but then I don't. And then I do feel sick, and then I don't. What if we peel these off and our skins come off with it? We'd be like the guy off Repo Man. He lost his face.
Oh yeah. Damn. We look good. That's all I gotta
That's
say.
at our best. We should be our profile pictures.
Oh no. We wouldn't get more friend requests.
No, we probably wouldn't. Ow, it's burning. Oh, feel the burn.
I really feel it. Like, here's your camera back.
You feel the burn.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.